Hey everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I wanted to tell you what you're about to see at the bird bath. I'm going to start trying to do more vlogs and just share a little bit about what's going on in the garden and around the workshop. But lo and behold, trying to get footage today of the hawk, I got some wonderful video footage of one of the crows, and I love them. Look at this first picture that you're going to see. You can tell by the tail feathers that it's a crow. Crows and ravens are very similar, but the raven's tail feathers have more of a wedge shape. They're not as even as the crow's. And look at this beautiful picture of the wingspan. The crows are not quite as big as the ravens. I think it said the average length is about 18 inches, but you can tell this is a large bird just by how it covers this pretty large bird bath I have. Now wait for it. Here he comes. Okay, now here's one of the things I want you to see. Look at the crow's beak. He's holding something, and I know I've mentioned they love to go through the trash. They look for treasures. They're really, really smart birds, and they're so much fun to watch. They're really intelligent. But when he lands, he's got something in his beak, and you can see that in the first picture. Then he just cleverly takes it and puts it beneath his claws, or his talons, I guess, and it stays there for the longest time, and then he picks it up again. I cannot determine if it's food or if it's a treasure. I just don't know. I tried to figure that out, but I just can't tell, because after he picks it up again, it looks like he's still holding it in his mouth even while he's drinking. So maybe you can tell from the pictures what you think. I'm not going to talk over the top of this video. I was going to do a voiceover, and I just didn't want to ruin this beautiful footage with my talking the whole time. So just watch. So this crow is like a little magician. You can barely see it, but he leans down pretty far and picks that piece of whatever it is up again. So you can see it's in his beak again, but he continues to drink. So that is it for my vlog today. I'm going to try to do more vlogs for my channel. I'm in between the house and the workshop, working on my journals over the weekends, and just during the day I love to step out on my breaks and during lunch and see what's going on outside. So it's perfect to just share some of that, especially since birdsong is kind of my thing. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.